Hey everyone. So, God has let me live another day, and I'm about to make it everyone's problem. And to answer on how I'm going to make it everyone's problem, well, we're going to be talking about the original Xbox. Now, it's not going to be necessarily this video, it's going to be in the next video, which is coming out on January 7th or the 8th. So, I don't want you to think that, no, I've given up on YouTube. I just took a small break. There's been a lot of things going on, and I just wanted to clear my mind and finally decide on what else I wanted to do because I'm getting tired of playing Minecraft. I'm getting tired of doing server networking. I want to do something a little different. So, as you see on screen, this is what we call Error 7, which Error 7 is notorious for the original Xbox hard drive failing. And I bet you're wondering why I'm creating a video about it in the first place. Like, there's nothing you can do unless you rip data from the motherboard of the original Xbox to unlock the drive. Well, there's been a breakthrough. I mean, a really big breakthrough. So significant that you can just hold a board in your hand, touch it to the console, and it will rip the EEPROM directly to a micro SD card, and you could just plug it in your computer and then use a special software called Fat Explorer and recreate the hard drive with the key to fix your Xbox. You don't have to solder a damn thing, and it's that easy. Now, I'm not gonna show you what it looks like just yet. No. You're gonna have to wait until the next video, guys. But I just wanted to let you know on what I want to do next with the channel. I hope you all do like which way I'm going with this. Of course, I want to get into the modding community a little bit more than I used to be. I do want to get into the emulations. For example, how you can now emulate. I think Black Ops 2 is now emulatable on the PS3 emulator. So is the GTA 5 version. But I just want to cover on how you can fix the errors 7, 14, 21 for the dashboard crashing, corruption, stuff like that. Because I think it might help to have videos that are not crappy quality, is the nice way to say it. So, I hope you all are excited for the upcoming video. I know I am. Hopefully we can get some stuff going and I can use my new soldering iron. So, thank you all for tuning in to this little update, and I'll see you all in the next video.